Eki nikiijaho omu bwire bw'amagomborora nka Nyakatonzi, Nyakiyumbu, Kinyamaseke hamwe na Mukunyu biine emihondano y'amataka n'okurwanira eby'obwiga bw'omw'itaka. Okucondoza nikworeka ku obutiikiriza n'obu buteganiise abariisa ekibareetiire kufeerwa amatungo gaabo garikwingana 150 kandi n'abahingi barikuteganisibwa amatungo kutaahiriraho eka zaabo ezirimu ebihingwa gakabishiisha. Obutiikiriza n'obu niburuga omu bantu abarimu abasongora, Banyabindi, Bakingwe hamwe n'abagabo abarikutuura omu bicweka bya disitulikiti bitari bimwe na bimwe. Oryenganzi y'obusinga bwa Rwenzururu Right Honorable Butazaare Kure Benson ahamiize abantu b'Obukama kubeehiireyo kugumya obusingye.
Let us appreciate that we have lived together, that our ancestors lived together, and that we, the young people, should now see how to lead the generation that is coming. History will blame us if we don't settle these issues now. I call upon, and I'm calling upon all those who belong to Obusingabaronzi who are here and those who are not here, that we must walk the talk of our 5 pillars.
Arikugarukamu aha butiikiriza hagati y'abahingi n'abariisa ba Rwenzori Forum for Peace bashabire kuhagira ekikorwa ahu bareesireho abebembezi b'ediini, abebembezi b'ebika okutaho omuringo ogw'okuhendera obutiikirizana omu disitulikiti egi. Ezra Yongeza Mukonzo, coordinator wa Interreligious Council, yashaba kuhabaho ekigaaniiro ahagati y'ebyanga ebi ebya Rwenzori hamwe na Tooro okuhendera obutiikirizana obu.
Ministry of Gender recognizes 3 institutions in this place at the moment, and this is what everybody should understand, that at the moment it is Obusingabaronzi, Budigya-Bwamba and Tooro Kingdom, recognized as ethnic groups that have that are recognized as having cultural leaders, and a cultural institution, by the way, is registered as the cultural leader. It is the cultural leader who has the money. So, as we are in the process of registering the Banyabindi, the Basongora, let us not make them make a mistake unless they define their meeting.
Chabanetu liremenya uti itwe bosi tole bantu abalisha abalimi mbolana lulimichi luno lulimichi itwe bosi tole bantu bande abanyamuhanga abantu banyamuhanga kilero kikulike kitwikare omwanwanzo eche katutaburaga nibya itwikare esitweta lwanzo no lwanzo lukamanyisaya eriherezya abande bantu ngo kwanzire bakuherezya erekora abande bantu ngo kwanzire bakukorera olwanzo lo mabere byaho obure kintu kikitokekana
ng'omuringo gw'okumara obutiikiriza n'obu abahingi n'abariisa bashabire kubinganisiza abantu omu bwebembezi obwa district hamwe na gavumenti okurabira omu Service Commission. Kurugirira Festo Kajura nashoborera ko abantu omu kyanga eki nibo bijwire omu bwebembezi bwa district.
So twena ngu akateba karugabe mirumu akakasese District Service Commission kajieho tribes ezoro constitution eziruga kasese wajeho Mukonzo omwe, Omusongora omwe, Omunyabindu omwe, the minimum.
Ntare y'Abanyabindi, His Royal Majesty Isebantu Mugisha Elisha agambira ko obutiikiriza n'obu bwatandikire ogu ashoborire ku Banyabindi batire nibabihwa aha bantu abandi ekireesireho obutiikirizana.
As Banyabindi cultural institution and their leader, I want to implore my fellow cultural leaders in the region to working together. That is one commitment. I want to implore the government agencies here, my RDC, please make sure that there is implementation of the Equal Opportunities Commission.
Bila Grace omwe ombantu ababinjwa amataka Markasese atunjira kakumu ombyo butegecho bubi om district arikugira ngo nubugendera hanganda
okwa leadership gap. Elected leaders have not played enough to settle these people, to resolve conflict, as if they did not go through conflict resolution.
Obwe obusinga bwa Rwenzururu burikutera orutambo omu kiganiro ky'okutaho obusingye abantu ba Nyakatonzi n'emyanya etorire biine amasiko kweki nikija kuretaho obusinge n'entunguuka. Amakuru aga gashakwa Mate Isaac ahabwa Tayari West omuri Kasese.